Getting the perfect gel manicure at home hinges on having the right tools, and one essential device is a quality UV light. These lamps cure gel nail polish, transforming it from a liquid to a glossy, solid finish in minutes. Selecting the best UV light for gel nails means considering factors such as wattage, bulb life, and size. Modern designs not only ensure efficient curing, but also focus on safety features to protect your skin and eyes. This introduction will guide you through the top UV lights on the market, helping you achieve salon-quality nails in the comfort of your home. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 5 is the Beetles Mini UV Light for Gel Nails. The Beetles Mini UV Light for Gel Nails sets itself apart as a versatile and efficient tool for both amateur nail enthusiasts and professional manicurists. This compact and portable UV LED lamp ensures you don't compromise on quality for convenience, allowing you to enjoy salon-like finishes wherever you are. Smartly designed, the device boasts free operating space, making it straightforward to work with and ideal for extending nails using nail tips and UV gel. Despite lacking a plug, the unit is equipped with a 47-inch USB cable, offering ample reach whether at home or in a professional setting. Performance-wise, the Beetles Mini UV Light impresses with its quick-drying capabilities. With dual light sources, this 5W UV lamp can dry gel glue within just 60 seconds, an auto-cut function to prevent overheating and conserve energy. Its effectiveness mirrors the drying speed of larger, more established UV lights, but in a much more manageable size. Aesthetically, the lamp sports a minimalist design that not only looks good on a manicure desk, but is also extremely portable. This makes it a practical choice for quick nails fix-ups, no matter where you are. Additionally, the ease of use without sacrificing functionality makes it a fantastic gift for anyone passionate about keeping their nails impeccable. At number 4 is the Liteland UV Nail Dryer LED Light for Gel Polish. The Liteland UV Gel Nail Lamp stands out in the realm of nail dryers thanks to its robust features tailored to provide a swift and efficient manicure and pedicure experience. Packing a hefty 150 watt of power and equipped with 45 adjustable LED beads, this device is not just powerful but smartly adjusts to the needs of different gel polishes with precision. One of the most commendable aspects of this nail dryer is its array of flexible drying options featuring 4 timer settings: 10s, 30s, 60s, and the low heat 99s mode. The wattage decreases as the timer increases, providing optimal curing based on the gel's requirements and preventing the risk of overheating, which is beneficial for the health of your nails. Remarkably, it promises to slash your curing time by 80% compared to other dryers on the market, an efficiency that is both time-saving and economical for any user. The Liteland UV Nail Dryer is user-friendly. It includes an infrared smart sensor that automatically activates when hands are placed under the light. This feature couples with a spacious design that can accommodate both hands simultaneously, enhancing comfort and reducing nail art sessions substantially in duration. Additional thoughtful design touches include the detachable base, which is ideal for pedicures and facilitates easy cleaning, and portability comes courtesy of a handy built-in handle, which makes the lamp easy to move, respectively practical for professionals who could require moving their setup. At number 3 on our list is the MelodySusie Portable UV LED Nail Lamp for Semi-Cured Nail Strips. The MelodySusie Portable UV LED Nail Lamp, Art04 model, is an essential tool for anyone looking to achieve a professional nail finish on the go. This 6-watt mini UV lamp offers portable convenience without sacrificing performance, fitting effortlessly into daily routines whether at school, work, home, or while traveling. Ergonomically designed to be light and compact, it eases into any small space or bag, making it ideal for quick touch-ups or full manicures wherever you find comfortable. Despite its modest size, the device is powerful enough to ensure nails receive adequate UV light exposure, critical for the curing process. The product boasts compatibility with all kinds of UV and LED gel polishes, thanks to its advanced light bead technology, which not only extends its utility but also underscores its role as a versatile nail care tool. Ease of use is another applaudable feature, characterized by a straightforward, one-button operation that cycles through 2 timer settings, 45 and 60 seconds. This functionality makes the device user-friendly, even for nail art beginners who may otherwise be intimidated by more complex equipment. Care for user comfort is evident in the lamp's low heat output, which ensures the curing process is painless and safe for frequent use, helping prevent skin irritations. For those with larger hands, curative sessions can be easily managed by initially treating the thumb before addressing the other fingers separately, ensuring complete coverage. In appearance, the nail lamp sports a chic white design with a playful heart-shaped button, adding a dash of charm to its functional appeal. This delightful aesthetic also positions it as an attractive gift idea for any beauty enthusiast looking to expand their nail care repertoire. At number 2 is the SUNUV Sun 448-watt UV LED nail lamp. The SUNUV Sun 448-watt UV LED nail lamp is a game-changer for anyone who loves to keep their nails looking fabulous. Its sleek design and featherweight build make it a stylish addition to any home salon setup. With a powerful 48 watts, this nail lamp ensures rapid gel nail drying, saving you time and effort. What sets this nail lamp apart is its intelligent design. No more tedious button pressing. This lamp senses your hand, activating and deactivating effortlessly. The large LCD display adds a touch of convenience, allowing you to easily monitor the drying process. Versatility is key with the SUNUV Sun 4. It works seamlessly with all gel polish types, including base coats, top coats, color gels, hard gels, builder gels, and even acrylics. Achieve salon-quality results right from the comfort of your own home. Safety is a top priority with this nail lamp. Emitting skin and eye-friendly UV LED light, it ensures a guilt-free glamour experience. Say goodbye to burns or eye strain. This lamp pampers your hands and eyes while you pamper yourself. Durability meets dependability with the SUNUV Sun 4. With an impressive 50,000 hours of LED and UV bulb life, you can rely on this lamp for years to come. And with a 1-year warranty backing it up, you can purchase with confidence. At number 1 is the LKE Nail Dryer 40-watt LED light. The LKE Nail Dryer has set new standards for DIY nail enthusiasts seeking professional results at home. Designed for adept drying of a variety of gel nails, this 40-watt LED light features a gamut of user-centric specifications aimed at enhancing the at-home nail care experience. Starting with its robust configuration, the dryer is equipped with 21 high-efficiency LED lights and can accommodate dual voltages ranging from 110 to 240 volts, making it versatile for global use. Acknowledging different curing needs, it incorporates 3 preset timers, 30, 60, and 99 seconds, that can be easily switched via an LCD screen. An advanced smart sensor ups its tech quotient. It detects hand placement automatically to switch the lights on or off, providing a hassle-free, touchless operation which is often a missed detail in similar devices. True to the promise of being user-friendly, the LKE nail lamp scores high in both convenience and safety measures. The curved housing design does a formidable job safeguarding user eyes from harmful glare while ensuring uniform exposure to the LED lights. Moreover, features such as a soft light functionality are designed specifically to prevent skin browning, a common pitfall in low-standard units. Its compact, lightweight build makes the LKE a practical fixture on any tabletop, easy to stow away or clean. Managers of nail UV gels, UV top coats, UV builder gel, and LED nails exceptionally well, albeit remember it fastidiously won't cure regular non-UV polishes, therefore sticking to its designation as a specialized gel lamp. Economically, this lamp is also a noteworthy investment. Adopting a do-it-yourself approach to your nail routine fortifies savings in routinely salon expenses. Accompanied by clear setup instructions, the LKE lamp stands out as a thoughtful gift to someone special, or even yourself, ensuring enduring salon visit caliber nails within the comfort and ease of your home. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.